Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. And my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl, love girl who never lost control. That's a supermodel, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is currently 7:40, as you guys can see, and I'm about to get ready. And of course, yesterday I went out to Sephora and got this new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation. I didn't even know Makeup Forever had a powder foundation, guys. I found this out by Nicole Guerriero. She posted up a video probably like a week ago talking about the best powder foundation ever. So I was like, let me go on Sephora, look at the reviews and all, and everyone's been raving about this powder foundation. So I was like, why don't I try it out myself? For those who don't know, I have been into powder foundation lately, and I feel like it's good for like people that have oily skin like me, or a lot of pores on their face. I don't know, I just like the way that it sits on my face when I use powder foundation. Liquid foundation, I usually tend to not like it because my face look cakey throughout the day and oily as well, and it's just so freaking annoying, like the way it sits on my face throughout the day. Like within 5 hours, I would say, it doesn't look good anymore. Like it looks expired, if that makes sense. Still haven't found like the best liquid foundation for my skin type, but with powder foundation I never had an issue with that before. Like the first time I used powder foundation was Laura Mercier, guys, and let me show you guys how much I have used it, or like look at that, and I really love it. And another powder foundation that I have been loving is from Bare Minerals. It's their new Blemish Rescue line, and guys, I'm up to my third one, guys. That's how much I love it. And another powder foundation that I have been loving lately is from Bare Minerals. It's their new powder foundation from the Blemish Rescue line. I use like the original one, like with the black lid, but I actually do not like that one. For some reason it makes my skin so dry and flaky, so that was a no for me. And then I found out that they had a new line for like blemishes and all, so I used that and I love it. I use that every single freaking day. So I'm actually on the Sephora website right now, and I'm about to read you the details of it. So basically, this is a full coverage blurring powder with a lifelike matte finish that blends and bleeds. I was about to say bleeds. What the hell is bleeds? And breathes with skin for 12-hour wear that never cakes. This is good for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. So basically all type of skin. So basically this powder foundation, guys, is supposed to blur all your imperfections, and it reduce your pores, and it absorb oil for a balance and give you a natural look, and it's available in 30 shades. All right, I'm actually so excited to try this out, guys. So it comes in a pan like this, and I'm actually in the color 235, guys. I got match in the store, and I also did the shade finder on Sephora website, and they say why 235 too. So I was like, okay, why can't I was about to say why can't I open this, but there's like a button you have to push right here to open it. This is the mirror right here, powder foundation, and it also comes with a sponge. A lot of people have been raving about this sponge. Like usually sponges that comes with powder foundation, it sucks, guys. Like it really sucks, but for some reason this sponge is magical, so I will be trying that out. So apparently the white side right here is for more like a light coverage, like a natural look, and now on the black side right here is more of like a full coverage look. So I already moisturized my face and primed my face, so I will be trying out the white. Ooh, feels nice. Okay, I'm getting distracted. So on the left side I will be using the white side, and then on the black side, on the right side, I'll be trying the black side. So I zoom in so you guys can see how my skin is looking, and as you guys can see, it is not looking so good. I've been breaking out lately. I think it's about to be that time of the month, TMI, but yeah, this is no. Hopefully this will blur it out and cover everything. All right, so I'm dipping the sponge into the product, and you're apparently supposed to swipe over your face. Whoa, do Do you guys see that? Whoa, hold up. Wow. So it's actually not bad. It covered a few of my blemishes. Okay. I'm probably going to dip a little bit more. And then just swipe it on top right here. Whoa, okay. Okay, Makeup Forever. It literally just blur away my pores, guys. Like literally. I don't know if you guys can tell, but so far so good. So I'm adding another layer to see how a third layer will look. Would it look cakey? Would it not? You know. Wow, this looks really good, guys. I totally forgot about my forehead, but this looks so good. So this side I have powder foundation on, as you guys can see, and then compared to this side I have nothing on. Look at that. And the white side with a sponge, guys, feels very velvety and nice and smooth on your skin. Like it's not harsh like some powder foundation sponges are. Really like this. Now moving on the dark side, let me try this out. Okay, I don't know. I feel like nothing's going on my face on the dark side. I think the white side is better, so I'm gonna do that. Yep, I definitely like the white side. Wow, I can't believe it just blew out my face like that. This is actually nice. I'm like totally speechless. Like, what the hell? And I know I'm looking pale, guys. I need to get a tan this summer, but it's such a great match to my neck. I will be adding colors to my face though, guys, because I'm not trying to look like Casper out here. But oh my goodness, I'm freaking speechless. I probably said that like 10 freaking times, but I don't care because that's how I am right now. Wow, oh my god, looks so freaking good. So you guys remember without powder foundation how bad this side looked, and now look at it. All right, so let me just finish the rest of my makeup and then I will be back with you guys. Oh crap. Alright guys, so I am back. I had to put my hair up because it's getting freaking hot, and I would turn on my AC, but if I did, you guys wouldn't hear me. So yeah, freaking hot and humid today. It's going to be like 90 degrees today, I believe, in New York. Anyways, so I just finished applying the rest of my makeup. I just did bronze and blush just to add like colors to my face because earlier I was looking pale. So first impression, guys, I am very speechless. And I don't know what to say because I am so surprised of how well this foundation applied, and it's looking good so far. And when I was applying like bronzer and blush, it went on well. It was easy to blend those out on top. So yeah, by the way, I didn't powder my face now because usually when I use powder foundation, I do not powder my face at all. I just feel like it's too much powder on top of the next one, you know. Apparently I have oily skin and they say this is suitable for all skin type, and that is supposed to last for 12 hours. So it is currently 8:46, as you guys can see. So I'll be going out running errands, doing my thing. Throughout the day I will be checking back in with you guys and give you guys a little bit update. Hey guys, so it is currently 2 something right now, and my makeup is looking freaking good. It's been like 5 hours, and sorry guys, but Mike is playing 2K, so yeah. But as I was saying,
let me get it, please.
Anyways, guys, as I was saying with all those interruptions, it's been 5 hours. I've been out in the sun, hot and humid, and it's looking pretty good. I didn't even get oily, So that's really good. The only thing is my nose. I don't know if you guys can tell. It kind of rubbed off right here because I was sneezing and I had to blow my nose. So I will fix that. Other than my nose, guys, for 5 hours without looking oily or cakey, I'm looking pretty darn good. Okay guys, so it's about to be 5 o'clock. I had this powder foundation on for like 8 hours now. My skin is still looking good, not oily at all, so I'm loving it so far. But anyways, I'll be checking in with you guys by the end of tonight. Hey guys, so it is currently the next day, and I realized I forgot to film for you guys at the end of the night about the powder foundation and how I feel about it. But I actually have it on today again, still looking good, and I actually really love it. It was so easy to apply, and you could apply bronzer, blush, highlight on top of it, and it wouldn't look too cakey. And it's like really lightweight, and it feels like you don't even have foundation on, and it's like a second skin, you know, if that makes sense. And I did get oily probably like 2 hours before I had to take off my makeup, but I didn't even look that oily or shiny. It's just a little bit on my T-zone area, but to be honest, this product held good throughout the day and I love it. And yeah, so I'm just wearing it again today just to try it out, you know. But for those who have oily skin like me, I think you guys would really like this powder foundation for the summertime. So you guys should give it a try. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold a crown. You hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold